It is Saturday, the 15th of January, and we're at the Desert View Tower, right up there. And we're about to do a desert trip into Ocotillo.
It's quite a view.
It's quite a view. We're going to go through the Borrego Desert and head up to Borrego Springs and enjoy a nice winter ride.
It's pretty incredible, actually.
Yeah, it's a really pretty view. We're at the Red Feather Market and Cafe in beautiful Ocotillo on a winter January stormy day.
Of the earth coming in a motion, tearing down a chair, heading out the poor. Oh, more for the poor. Oh, more for the poor. Oh, the national anthem playing for the Allah. Oh, Allah, Allah, da-da-da-da-da. Allah, Allah, da-da-da-da-da. Ave Marie, Ave Marie, Ave Marie, oh Ave Marie, Ave Marie, oh Ave Marie, Ave Marie, oh Ave Marie. It's no more law, it's no more law. No more hanging by the liquor store. No more looking for the big score. More. We want more. We want more. For the poor. Yeah! Ave Marie, Ave Marie.
Borrego Desert State Park.
Pretty awesome. No vehicles, no wind,
It's
no rain.
It's amazing. We have 68 degrees. There's not a lot of traffic out here today, and we had to ride through a little bit of rain to get here.
A couple different times.
But now that we're here, it's pretty great.
I mean, take a look around.
It's really pretty. I love the desert in the wintertime. It's completely awesome. And I mean, you know, we're an hour and 20 minutes from the house. So, I mean, it doesn't take that long to get out here. We take a nice little shot.
Oh, we just got hit with some raindrops.
So what's been your favorite part of the ride so far?
Pretty much right here, wherever there's no vehicles and no wind.
Yeah, it's pretty great to come out here in the wintertime because obviously in the summer,
it's way too hot.
It's 100 degrees plus. But I mean, you know, it's sub 70 degrees right now, and it's just
overcast.
It's amazing.
What is the plan once we check in?
So yeah, so we're gonna take the S2 up to the 78, and then I forget the name of the little highway that veers off and climbs over the hill to get to Borrego. I'm thinking we just check in and maybe we go check out some of the sculptures.
Sure, sculptures are good.
It could be a Mexico night because we did straddle the Mexico border quite a bit.
We did, and last night we already went to Ireland.
Right. Yeah.
Didn't even consider what we're gonna have for dinner. That's what we do on these trips.
Yeah, we're like the wind.
We're not like the wind. That's enough. We're done here.
Ave Marie, Ave Marie, Ave Marie, oh Ave Marie, Ave Marie, oh Ave Marie, oh Ave Marie, oh Ave Marie.
Right.
All right, so we're in Borrego Springs.
We're in Borrego Springs.
We're
in the central hub.
We're in the hub. We got Charlie's,
Carly's
Carly's, whatever. We
And-
got Kissling
Kitchen.
Kitchen. And we got liquor stuff.
And you got a liquor store. And yeah, let's go check out.
We're gonna go check it out. We don't know where we're going.
We're gonna check out Carly's.
gonna be great.
See how we like it. All right. All right. Carly's, Borrego Springs.
I'm all right.
How's the homemade chili?
Looks incredible.
It looks great.
Cheese and onions.
Yeah.
But you can't see the cheese and onions now.
It looks great.
But 14-ounce ribeye.
Got the nice ribeye, looking good.
Baked potato with all the fixins.
And I got the prime rib.